Ever found yourself staring blankly at your Acorns login screen, wondering, wait, what is the email address I used for this thing again? We've all been there. That moment of panic when you're trying to invest, check your balance, or just generally manage your money, and you're suddenly locked out by the dreaded incorrect email message. It's frustrating, time-consuming, and can even make you question your entire financial life choices. Okay, maybe that's a bit dramatic, but it's definitely annoying. So, if you're struggling to remember or figure out how to format your Acorns email address, you're in the right place. This video is your ultimate guide to unlocking your Acorns account and getting back to what matters, growing your money. Now, before we dive into the specifics, let's talk about why this is even an issue. Why can't you just use any email address? Well, Acorns, like any financial institution, needs to verify your identity. Your email address is a key part of that verification process. It's how they communicate with you about important account updates, security alerts, and, yes, even those tempting little notifications about your investments growing. Think of it like your digital key to your Acorns vault. You wouldn't give just anyone that key, right? Similarly, Acorns needs to make sure that the person logging in is actually you. That's why it's crucial to use the correct email address, the one you originally registered with. Now, let's get down to brass tacks. How do you actually format your Acorns email address? The good news is, there's no special formatting required. Acorns uses standard email address conventions. This means it's probably the same email address you use for other online accounts, like your personal email, your work email, or maybe even that old email address you created back in the day. We all have one of those, don't we? The key here isn't formatting, it's remembering. And that's where the real challenge lies. So, let's explore some strategies for jogging your memory. First, think back to when you created your Acorns account. Were you using a personal email address, perhaps one associated with your main internet provider? Or did you use a work email? Maybe you even created a dedicated email address specifically for financial matters. Smart move, if you did. Consider checking your other devices. Do you have the Acorns app installed on your phone or tablet? If so, chances are the app is already logged in. You can usually find the associated email address within the app settings. This is often the easiest and quickest way to find your Acorns email. Another helpful trick is to check your email accounts for any messages from Acorns. Search for keywords like Acorns, welcome, investment, or account. If you find any emails from Acorns, the sender address is likely the email you used to register. This can be a real lifesaver. If you're still coming up empty, don't worry. Acorns has a built-in process for recovering your login information. Visit the Acorns website or open the app and look for the Forgot Password or Forgot Email link. This will typically lead you through a series of steps to verify your identity, such as answering security questions or providing other identifying information. Acorns might ask you for your phone number associated with the account or even the last 4 digits of your social security number to verify it's really you trying to access the account. They do this to protect your money and ensure no unauthorized person is trying to get into your account. Now, let's say you've tried all these steps and you're still drawing a blank. What do you do then? Well, the next best step is to contact Acorns customer support directly. They have a dedicated team that can help you recover your account information. You can usually find their contact information on the Acorns website or within the app. When you contact customer support, be prepared to provide as much information as possible about your account. This might include your full name, date of birth, the approximate date you created the account, any investments you've made, or even the bank account you linked to Acorns. The more information you can provide, the easier it will be for them to verify your identity and help you regain access to your account. Now, a quick word of advice. Once you've recovered your Acorns email address, make sure to store it somewhere safe and secure. Consider using a password manager to keep track of all your online logins, including your Acorns email. This will prevent you from running into the same problem again in the future. Another good practice is to periodically review your online accounts and make sure you have a record of all your login information. This can save you a lot of time and stress in the long run. So, to recap, formatting your Acorns email address is as simple as using a standard email address. The real challenge is remembering which email you used to register. Try checking your other devices, searching your email accounts for messages from Acorns, or using the Forgot Password or Forgot Email feature on the Acorns website or app. If all else fails, don't hesitate to contact Acorns customer support directly. They are there to help you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.